Today I'm going to show you how to copy a lesson that has already been built and drag it into the course that you have created. So first I'm going to click on Manage, Courses, and I'm going to go to my course. So I need to click District, 4th grade writing is one of my courses. I'm going to click on the course. So if I have found a lesson that I like, I would search either the ID of the lesson or the name of the lesson. So I know the name of the lesson, so I'm going to search the name. And if this is the lesson that I want to put into my unit, I would need to click the hand and drop the lesson here. Then my lesson is going to show up in the course. Now, if I want to make some changes to this lesson, I need to make the changes inside of my unit. So I would need to open the lesson up from my course. So just click on the title. I could come into the Explore and Investigate section, and I could type something at the bottom, or I can add a new resource by hitting Create a Resource. And once I like the changes that I have made, I just need to hit the Save button at the bottom. So I'm going to delete that because I don't want to change this lesson real fast. So I would hit Save. And my changes would be in this lesson that I made. So remember, it's really important that if you do make changes from a lesson that you've copied, you make the change in the course that you are working in. So I need to make it in this unit.